2 months ago, while deep in my PhD research, I found myself distracted by another mission, one I kept a secret. I was determined to uncover the best hybrid camera. After watching countless YouTube reviews and articles, I reached a single conclusion. And what I discovered, well, it changes everything. Some rumors are hard to believe, but this one is true. The price I paid for this camera was one kidney. Was it worth it, you may ask? The answer is yes. This is the first real camera I have owned, the Sony A6700. For someone stepping into the world of photography and videography, the Sony A6700 is more than a tool, it's a gateway. They say you can't be a jack of all trades and master of all, but I think an exception can be made for the Sony A6700. Now, something else has caught my eyes. The Sigma lens brings one question to me. What do I have to sell to get it?